Hello students, Jai Hind. Today we will discuss about our important topic, that is international organization. And before we start the topic, I introduce myself. I am Aniket and I am taking your class in the PRGYA Education Hub. And now we start our topic and the most important topic, that is international organization. First of all, when we talk about international organizations, so we discuss about first thing and first organization, that is UNO, and we will discuss more about UNO. And second is NATO, third BRICS, and fourth, that is SU. There are many international organizations, but in the lecture we discuss about these four main organizations. So first we start with UNO, and the full form of UNO, that is United Nations Organization. And we discuss about UNO, and we know that UNO is the result of Second World War. And now I discuss about the foundation date of United Nations Organization. So on 24 October in 1945, the UNO came to existence. And now I discuss about the important organs of United Nations Organization. That is, first is most important, that is our General Assembly of United Nations Organizations. And second is most important, that is Security Council. Why we are emphasis on Security Council? Because there are 5 permanent members are the permanent members, and they have veto powers, and that's why the Security Council is important. And when we talk about Security Councils, so India always want to join the Security Council as a permanent member, and they are now 5 permanent members in the Security Council. And third and most important organ, that is economic economic and cultural part. And next मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ, that is International Court of Justice. Why we are talking about? Because recently International Court of Justice was in the news related to Israel's prime ministers and all the things. So these are the basic thing about the UNO. And now we discuss about more, that is, now we discuss the headquarter of UNO. We know that headquarter is situated in Washington DC in USA. And next I discuss about how many members in the United Nations Organizations. So recently they have 193 member countries in the United Nations Organization. And the main work of the UNO, that is to promote peace and prosperity in the world. And the next work, that is to solve and conclude all the matters related to two countries, two states by in the diplomatic manner. So these are all the basic information about UNO and United Nations Organization. But there are many questions are rising on the existence of United Nations Organizations due to the conflict of Russia-Ukraine war and Israel-Hamas conflict. And recently we are seeing Israel and Iran's conflict recently. So all the things are important. Now we discuss about here NATO. And first, when I talk about NATO, NATO is a military organization. It means we will discuss first what is the full form of NATO. So the full form of NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. We will discuss more about it. First, we discuss its foundation date. So in 1949, the UNO was set up in Europe, And now we discuss the member countries of UN. They are now currently they are 32 member countries, and recently Sweden joined the NATO. And the NATO's charters and the NATO's articles are most important, and one of the most important article that is, अगर कोई भी कंट्री इन NATO के कंट्रीज के ऊपर अगर अटैक करेगा तो पूरा NATO ग्रुप उसके अगेंस्ट रिटेलिएट करेगा। वो हम रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर में देख चुके हैं, जब पोलैंड के ऊपर ये न्यूज आई कि पोलैंड के ऊपर एक मिसाइल का हमला हुआ है। सो ये सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है। नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करते हैं ब्रिक्स के बारे में। ब्रिक्स हमारे लिए क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? बिकॉज ब्रिक्स को एक तरीके से जो एशिया का एक पावरफुल ग्रुप भी हम लोग मानते हैं, जिसमें कि इंडिया भी इंक्लूड है। इंडिया है हमारा, ब्राजील है, रशिया है, और उसके बाद हमारा चाइना और साउथ अफ्रीका। ये सारी ही कंट्रीज ब्रिक्स का पार्ट है, जो कि हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। और अब हम बात करें एससीओ के बारे में, तो जैसे कि हम जानते हैं हमारा नेबर कंट्री पाकिस्तान आल्सो द मेंबर ऑफ एससीओ, एंड ऑल द members like China is the prominent member of the SCO and the most contributing in the SCO funding. Now we discuss about the full form of SCO. SCO's full form is Shanghai Cooperation Organization, and all these organizations, the primary objective is to promote harmony and prosperity. But we as I discuss about the NATO's role is something different when we talk about harmony, because it is a military organization. And now we discuss about SCO. SCO is a economical organization, but as I told you, the UNO's role is in the discussion, because UNO is not fully able to control the conflict around the world. So इस लेक्चर में हमने इतना ही जाना, और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम जो हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है जो कि आज हमारे लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रही है, हम उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। सो थैंक यू।